The steel belt consists of 280 hardened steel V-blocks held together by 2 endless steel bands, each made of 10 laminated strips. These strips fit closely together in a very strong and flexible ring. The blocks are guided by the bands, but not attached to them. Drive is transmitted by compressing the block elements, rather than relying on tension in the band. Each block leaving the primary pulley pushes the blocks ahead of it, to the secondary pulley, where the bands keep the blocks in contact with the pulley faces. The blocks are in compression on the drive side and float loosely along the laminated bands on the return side. The large number of blocks in contact with the pulleys keeps surface pressures low, allowing high torque to be transmitted. The belt is lubricated by transmission fluid sprayed directly onto it at high pressure.